This is the store in Burlington. So when I click on the top, register shades work. And nothing works on the side. Then if I press second channel, shades on this section work. Okay, it's too far, that's why they're working now. And then when I press the third option, the third channel, I'm gonna lower all shades here and all shades on the front. So as I press third, they're all coming down. And they're all coming down this way. Roger Magalhaes from Trading Out Consulting, installation training for window treatment professionals. Thanks for watching.